You! What are you doing in my house? A hypocrite, and then you're afraid to use it. Me!
Oliver, what are you doing? It's me, you fool.
Sorry, my dear. I thought it was a thief.
A thief? Are you kidding me? Do I look like a thief to you? You are so dumb.
Sorry.
What was that? Did you hear that, Mortimer?
Yes, it is what your mother wrote it.
No, it wasn't my mom. You fool. What was it?
Maybe a thunder.
Thunder! Santa Barbara. We need to protect our home. Do something!
Hey, we can look in the library and try to find some help in the book.
2 years later.
This. I read this. It's so boring. I don't know, but we can look in something called internet.
Oh, the internet. I'm going to go to website. I deleted it. Lightning.com. Enter.
Enter where?
The website, you fool.
Hey. Okay. Let me. Okay.
Thank you.
Radio. Okay, here. It said that someone has to hold an umbrella and wear an armor helmet. We have an armor helmet? I think. And someone has to say Ben Amigo too. I don't know.
What was that?
It was only the TV falling down.
TV! You are too close to the wall! Skip, you fool! You will pay for the TV.
I didn't do anything. It was the rat.
Rat! Kill it!
I can't see.
Well, turn on the light.
There's no power.
This is all your fault, Mortimer. You see, you are the most unlucky person I've ever met.
Shut up! I'm sick and tired of you.
What?
Yeah, you hear me. I will take my umbrella and go out because I want you out of my life. Our relationship is over.
No!
50 years of being together, and you want to end it now? If that's how you want, I was sick of you since the moment we met. Now get out of my house!
Get the fuck. Come on, I hope I'm not.
Mortimer walked out of the house, and a lightning bolt came out of the sky, struck the umbrella.
The umbrella.
Was no more. Now the house was filled with Mortimer this and Mortimer that. It was silent, and Mr. McWilliams was in pieces for the first time in many, many years.
Okay.
Not done!
Okay.
I